Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Nissan Altima. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked. Then, turn the ignition to the on position. Next, grab your mobile device and make sure its Bluetooth is turned on and set to discoverable mode. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process, allowing your Altima to find your phone easily. Now, let's move to your Altima's display. Navigate to the Settings or Phone menu. From there, select Bluetooth and then choose the option to add new device or pair device. Your Altima will begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Keep an eye on the screen. Your phone's name should appear within a few seconds. Once your phone's name appears, select it from the list on your Altima's display. A 6-digit PIN will then be shown on both your vehicle's screen and your phone. Carefully compare these numbers to ensure they match. After confirming the PIN, accept the pairing prompt on both devices. This final step secures the connection, allowing hands-free communication. With your phone successfully connected, you can now enjoy hands-free calling and wireless audio streaming through your Altima's sound system. If you experience any connection issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the Altima's infotainment system often resolves them. For persistent problems, consider deleting any old pairings from both devices and starting fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.